Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the 7th chapter, the correct uses of preposition. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. 7th chapter, the correct uses of prepositions, page number 50. Preposition of time we use at when we talk about an exact time at 6 o'clock at 9:30. The festival and the weekend at Christmas at Dusara. Parts of the day without the at night, at noon, at midday, at midnight. We, we use on when we talk about a named a day or date. On Sunday, on 6th October, on New Year Day. A name part of a name day. On Sunday evening, on Saturday night. We use in when something happen in a name, month or year, a named month or year, a season or century. A named month or year in June in 1996. A season in summer in the 20th century. We use in for parts of a day with the in the morning, in the evening. Definite periods of time in 5 minutes, in few days, in 6 weeks, in 2 years. But we don't use at, in, on, with, this morning, week, year, etc. Last month or August or week, etc. Next month, next Monday, year, week, etc. Every day, week, month, etc. Complete these time expressions with the at, on, in. Here dash Christmas. We already studied at that. Festivals and weekend we use at. So at Christmas. Second one, September. September we already studied that. The name of a month or a year we write there in September. Third one, also with a season or a century. In summer, so there we use in summer. So you can study that all prepositions of a time using the fifth page. There is a column, you have to study this one, and using that column you should fill this all exercises. And preposition of place we use at we talk about a point in space, a person, home, a place of work or study. A point in space at the end of the road, at the airport. A person, home, a place of work or study, at school, at college, at home, at work, at bakers, at factory. We use in to indicate a point within the area or volume of something. In bird, in hospital, in the sky, in the drawer, in the newspaper. We use on to indicate a preposition covering, touching or forming part of a surface. A picture on the wall, a drawing on the backboard, a flower pot of the table, picture on the page 79. So we use between indicate that something is in the middle of the two their things. And we use among to indicate that something is in the middle of the three or more other things. So there is a picture that three members were sitting there. Then some other preposition of a place are under, in front of, behind, over, above, below, inside, opposite, near to. And Dolly is sitting between the father and mother. And Dolly and her mother are sitting next to each other. Next to indicated the portions immediately at one side of something. The teacher is standing among the students. Students, you should study this table, page number 15. Otherwise, you will not fill up this exercises. You have to study. This is very easy. Page number 52, preposition of movement. Certain preposition indicated movement from one place to another. Some of them are in, into, to, down, up, onto, round, off, from, out of. Such prepositions are used with the verbs of movement as walk, go, jump, fly, come, run, climb, swim. And some verbs usually take a particular preposition after them. This road leaded to Delhi. This house belonging to my uncle. My father deals in ready-made garments. You should beware of a pickpocket at railway station. And some verbs takes different preposition for different meaning. I agree with you. I agree on with this point. He is blind in one eye. He is blind to his fault. Some verbs don't take any preposition after them. Train has reached at the station. Train has reached the station. I shall accompany with you the bazaar. I shall accompany you to the bazaar. And some words require specific preposition to connect them with a noun or pronoun that follow them. Such a combination have to be committed to memory since they are not governed by any rules. Some of them are given below. Accede to, accuse of, act upon, addicted to, admit to, affair of, agree with, arrived at, ashamed of, astonished at, avail of, aware of, believe in, belonging to, bent on, beware of, boast of, busy with, care for, call it with, confident of, and consist of, cure of, depend on, desire for, die of, different from, dismiss from, eligible for, familiar with, etc. You have to um, you have to fill this all exercise using this prepositions given in the box. Thank you, children.